What's up, guys? I'm here again with another unboxing video of the Soul Eater Premium Edition Yearbook, or Soul Eater Yearbook Edition, Premium Edition, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, and here's the front. Soul Eater Yearbook, and then the back, classic. Alright, let's get to undoing this bad boy. Ooh, and it has the, I don't know what do you call that, the, like where it has the pop-out letters. Like the letters are all indented, tapered down. Very nice look to it. And here's the first page of what it looks like. I don't know, maybe that looks, I guess this is part of what it is. Huh. Alright, well, here, oh, sorry guys. So it looks like, first page, bam. Soul Eater to the notch. Got pretty much all the characters in here. Throw them what they are. Got pics. Deathly Kid. Spirit. I mean, you guys know the whole crew. Just all the pics of what everybody's got. Right here. I mean, it's pretty well done. I mean, it's smooth. It's pretty nice. All the teachers, or not teachers, damn it. I always lose it. Yeah, them. You guys figure it out. But, yeah, so, again, this is pretty nice having the disc like that inside. I mean, it's like a little pocket, but, I mean, when you go to pull it out, you're gonna, like, I don't know, I mean, for what Funimation did, it's okay. It's fine, but it's still, when you take these suckers out, you gotta, like, lift it, pull it out, make sure you don't scratch it. It's kind of a hassle, but... Wait, let me show you that. Well, this is disc 1. See if I can pull it out. Alright. Disc 1. Episodes. Oh, come on, focus. Episodes 1 through 9. Sorry about the crappy camera. It is. Alright. Through 9. This one's fucking stuck. Damn! Here we go. The next. Yeah. My ninja. Oh, come on. Boom. 10 through 18. On disc 2. Oh, shit. And it has like a thick little layer here, which is kind of, I like how durable it is when you're flipping it. It's not all flimsy like this. It's more, more durable, which is, rather have more durable. Disc 3, disc 3. Episodes 19 through 26 plus extras. assuming you're gonna have the special features, or I'm not sure what came with the discs, if there was like special features or OVAs or anything like that, but that's yeah, it's next you have let's get this Soul Eater disc 4, 27 through 35. Got Soul there like a genuine badass. Alright. Go on to the next one. Oh, and again, I would say their names, but I'm pretty bad at remembering names, so again, please forgive me. Disc 5, episodes 36 through 44. And it's really, I like how they put all the characters. Oh, come on. Son of a biscuit. Alright, hold on, guys. Put this away from her. Alright. Alright, back again. And here we go. I think this is the last one. Soul Eater 6. See if it focuses. There we go. Or Soul Eater Disc 6, episodes 35 through 51 plus extras. So yeah. Oh shit. Again, these things are super hard. You gotta like lift up on it. The disc does not want to go in. Which again brings me to the pain of, see? I can't get it in because the flap doesn't want to. So you gotta hold on. You gotta set it down. You gotta pop it up, push it in. So anyway, again, sorry for the crappy camera work. I will try and make it better, but this is the Soul Eater Premium Edition, Yearbook Edition of what comes with it. Comes with all the pages, you know, everything. And yeah, guys, that is it. I hope you like my video. Comment, like, subscribe, if you will. Again, recommendations, if you got it. And I'll see you guys next time.